Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook page. So first, just simply go to your Facebook application, and if you are using an Apple device, it will be the same process. So watch till the end. Now, first, just simply tap on the three dots on the top right or the menu icon or your profile. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and scroll down and tap on see more and scroll down and go for the pages. And after that, guys, just simply switch to your page, tap on it. And now from here, just simply tap on the three lines on the top right or the menu. And now from here, just simply go to the gear icon on the top right again besides the search icon. Now from here, guys, just simply scroll down. And after that, you should be able to see here on the your information category, access and control. Tap on that. And from here, you will have two options. You can either deactivate your page, which is temporary, and you can activate it back again, or you can delete it, which is permanent, and tap on continue. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on continue. And from here, it will give you a chance to download and save your information on your page. So just simply tap on continue. And now from here, just simply provide the password of your Facebook account and tap on continue. And from here, guys, just simply tap on continue and just simply tap on delete page. And from there, you should be able to delete your page. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.